दोस्तों आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग जुलाई मंथ के स्पीडी के करंट अफेयर्स को करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वेयर इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट फुली वुडन गुरुद्वारा ओपन ऑन जुलाई 1 2025 फाजिलिका डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंजाब, हु हैज रिसीव्ड द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी ऑनर। तो दिस इज राधानाथ स्वामी, who has won the Formula One Australia Grand Prix. Lando Norris, who has become the youngest mountaineer to climb Mount Elbrus on July 1, 2025. So he is Tejbir Singh. Where is the first astrotourism festival celebrated Ladakh? Who has launched the Rail One app as a one-stop platform on July 1, 2025? Ashwani Vaishnav. Which medal did Divyanshi Bhaumik win in the girls singles under 15 category of 29th Asian Youth Championship? Gold. Where was the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO Defense Minister meeting held on July 2, 2025? Qingdao, China. Where did the second ship of Project 17A stealth frigate Udaygiri join the Indian Navy? It's in Mumbai. National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development has been renamed after whom? Savitribai Phule. To whom has NASA assigned its the first space station mission? Anil Menon. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister Guru Shishya Parampara Yojana? Bihar. Which country has started Hindi course with Indian cooperation? Sri Lanka. Chief Minister of which state has launched the Jan Suraksha Satisfaction Campaign? Gujarat. Prime Minister Modi received the highest civilian honor, Order of the Star of which country? Ghana. The construction of the country's longest rail tunnel, 14.58 km, was completed in which state? Uttarakhand. Who has chosen as the Commonwealth Peace Ambassador? Sukanya Sonowal. Where was the Khelo India Water Sports Festival organized for the first time? Srinagar. Who has become the first female fighter pilot of Indian Navy? Astha Punya. In which cities India's first digital house address project with QT code has been launched? Indore. On July 5, 2025, which country has been included in the World Bank among the most equal countries in the world? India. Who has won the Zagreb Super United Rapid Chess title? So D. Gukesh. Which country's bank became the first to enter in the Mashreq Gift City? UAE. Who has got the approval to launch first private satellite broadband service in India? Anant Tech. Where has India's first transgender clinic has been started? Hyderabad. Which country has been awarded key to the city honor to the Prime Minister Modi on July 5, 2025? Argentina. Which country has become the world's third largest domestic aviation market? India. Who has become the first Indian woman to score a century in all three formats of international cricket? Smriti Mandhana. Who has joined the New Development Bank as the 10th and 11th member? Colombia and Uzbekistan. Who has been given the Mental Health Award 2025? Saima Wajid. Which medal has been won by Harvinder Singh in the men's recurve open category at the Asian Para Archery Championship? Gold. Who has become the first Indian to run 100 meters in less than 10.2 seconds? Animesh Kujur. Which country's Mount Shinmokudo volcano has erupted? Japan. Which state has become the first state to distribute ration by scanning face? Himachal Pradesh. Neeraj Chopra won the first edition of Neeraj Chopra Classics 2025 with how many meters throw? 86.18 meters. Jennifer Gerling Simon became the first woman president of which country? Suriname. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of ICC? Sanjog Gupta. On July 7, 2025, who has been selected for the Hollywood Walk of Fame Class 2026? Deepika Padukone. Chief Minister of which state has launched Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana? Rajasthan. By when has India set a target of making its economy $32 trillion by 2047? On July 8, 2025, PM Modi has been awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? Grand Collar of the National Order of Southern Cross. So it has been given by Brazil. The Satkosia Tiger Reserve, which was in the news, is located in which state? Odisha. Who has written the book Confessions of Shakespeare Addict, written by V.S. Ravi? Who has become the most valuable team of IPL? RCB. Where will Asia's largest jungle safari be built? Haryana. On July 8, 2025, Japan Coast Guard ship Itsukushima has reached which Indian port? Chennai port. Who has acquired 600 megawatt capacity Vidarbha Industries Power Limited, Adani Power? Who has won the British Grand Prix 2025? Lando Norris. Which state government has approved the domicile policy of 35% reservation for women in jobs? Bihar. PM Modi has been awarded which country's highest civilian honor? Order of the Most Ancient Welsvicia Mirabilis. So it is given by Namibia. Recently, Asia's oldest elephant Vatsala died in which tiger reserve? Panna Tiger Reserve. It's there in Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 134th session of Council of International Maritime Organization (IMO) held on July 9, 2025? London. Who has become the 21st country to adopt the euro as the official currency? Bulgaria. Who has launched the messaging app BitChat? Jack Dorsey. In which state Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana has been launched for free treatment? Punjab. Who has been appointed as the chief operating officer by Apple? Shabir Khan. Who has topped the global clean energy ranking? China. On July 10, 2025, Home Minister Amit Shah chaired the 27th Eastern Regional Council meeting in Ranchi, in which state Karnak Bridge has been renamed as a Sindur Bridge, Mumbai. Which state government has launched a Digi Lakshmi scheme to empower urban women? Andhra Pradesh. Who has been selected for Chinta Ravindran Award 2025? Sharan Limbale. Which state declared Ganeshotsav as Rajyotsav? Maharashtra. Who has won the Pain Painter Award of 2025? Leela Abu Leela. The Gaj Mitra scheme has been launched by which state government? Assam. Who will host the ISSF World Cup in 2027 and Junior World Championship in 2028? India. Which state government has launched Operation Kalinemi? Uttarakhand. What is the position of India's men's football team in FIFA ranking 2025 133? So, who has became the first Indian to be included in the Time 100 creator list on July 11, 2025? Prajakta Kohli. Who has won the Wimbledon 2025 women's single title? Iga Swiatek. Where has the Maratha military landscape included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 47th session of World Heritage Committee, Paris? Which state government has implemented a special public security law 2024 in Maharashtra? So, who has become the 87th Grandmaster of India? Hari Krishnan, ARA. Which country's Khmer Rock sites has been included in the UNESCO Heritage List? Cambodia. Which state's Arthungal police station has become India's first ISO certified station? Kerala. Which operation has been launched by Indian Army for the security of Sri Amarnath Yatra? Operation Siva. Who has been awarded the 2025 United Nations Population Award on July 12, 2025? Varsha Deshpande. Who has been awarded the Hem Bahadur Malla Award on July 12, 2025? Kalyan Shrestha. Who has won the Wimbledon 2025 men's single? Jannik Sinner. On July 13, 2025, President Draupadi Murmu has nominated how many prominent personalities to the Rajya Sabha? 4. Who has become the first state to lead the Cruise India mission? Gujarat. Jinji Fort is located in which state has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Tamil Nadu. Which has become the most polluted city in the country? Brunihat, Meghalaya. Who has won the FIFA Club World Cup title? Chelsea FC. On July 14, 2025, India has participated in military exercise Talsiman Sabre 2025 held in which country? Australia. Who has been selected as the ICC Player of the Month for the June 2025? Aiden Makram and Hallie Matthews. New Caledonia has become a new state under which republic? France. Which country has become the cleanest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2024 to 2025? It's Indore. Again, eighth time. Where did Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal launch the BIMSTEC Port Conference on July 14, 2025? Visakhapatnam. Where has Tesla opened its first experience center in India? Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai. Where has India's first digital nomad village has been inaugurated? Sikkim. Which country has launched the world's first traditional knowledge digital library? India. Where will India's first AI campus be established? Amravati. Where has Bedhankalam Mahotsav celebrated? Meghalaya. Which state has become the top state in the processed potato production in India? Gujarat. To whom has President Murmu conferred the Kalinga Ratna Award on July 16, 2025? Dharmendra Pradhan. Where has India's first Eco-Tech Park has been inaugurated? Assam. Where has India's second longest cable stayed bridge opened? Shivmoga, Karnataka. In which state has ro ferry service started on the Mandovi River? Goa. Where was the Harela festival celebrated? Uttarakhand. Which state has launched My Deed NGDRS pilot project for land registration? Himachal Pradesh. Which IIM has launched Educational Innovation Center Gyanodaya IIM Kozhikode? Which state has become the first Indian state to give agricultural status to livestock and poultry? Maharashtra. Where has the voting age has been reduced to 16 years? Britain. Which position does India hold in the terms of internet speed? 26th. Which state government has launched the Tribal Genome Sequencing Project on July 17, 2025? Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the sweep icon for Bihar elections on July 17, 2025? Neetu Chandra and Kranti Prakash Jha. Which state cabinet has announced anti-scarlage bill 2025? Punjab. The 32nd edition of the bilateral exercise Symbix was held between India and which country? Singapore. Where has India successfully tested Prithvi 2 and Agni 1 ballistic missile on July 18, 2025? Chandipur, Odisha. Which state has launched India's lightest wheelchair YD-1 IIT Madras? Who has been awarded as the United Nations Nelson Mandela Award 2025 on July 18, 2025? Kennedy Oded and Brenda Reynolds. Which state government has launched the sound filtration scheme to assist visually impaired passenger? Karnataka. Where has India's first indigenously designed and built diving support vehicle INS Nistar has been commissioned? Visakhapatnam. Which state government has launched Operation Jeevan Jyoti? Punjab. Where was the two-day meeting of G20 finance minister and central bank governors concluded on July 19, 2025? In Durban. Where is the FISU or FISU World University Games 2025 held? Germany. Who topped the Hurun India under 30 list of 2025? Adit Palicia and Kalvalia Vohra. Where is the 57th International Chemistry Olympiad held? So it's in Dubai. Now, on July 19, 2025, ASI has declared Langfun Ropoi of which state as the monument of national importance? Mizoram. Which country declared TRF the culprit of Pahalgam terrorist attack as a foreign terrorist group? America. Which medal has India won for the first time in the FISU World University Game? Bronze. On July 2025, PM Modi has announced an incentive of how much rupees for private sector employee? 15,000. Where has the largest piece of Mars on Earth has been sold for 5.3 million? New York. Who will host the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025? India. On July 2021-25, whereas Indian Navy anti-submarine warfare shallow water warship Ajay has been inaugurated, Kolkata. On July 21, 2025, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from which post? Which number vice president was he? 14th. Which state government has announced a new program called Shakti Sri? Odisha. Which country has declared trachoma free by WHO? Senegal. Who has written the book The New World 21st Century Global Order and India? Ram Madhav. Who has given the right to host the next three 2027, 2029 and 2030 31 World Test Championship Finals, England, which state has become the first state to reduce the number of votes per booth to less than 1200? Bihar. The Indian Army has received the first consignment of Apache AH-64E attack helicopters from which country? USA. On July 2022-25, which country has exited UNESCO America? In which state will a center be set up for the conservation of hornbill? Tamil Nadu. Who has launched the Gati savings account to promote affordable digital banking? Fino Payment Bank. Who has been awarded as the world's best consumer bank of 2025 by Global Finance Magazine? SBI. Who has been appointed as the new mission director of Atal Innovation Mission? Deepak Bagla. Scientists of which country has successfully converted CEO into food? China. Who has won the Global Best Magic Creator 2025 award? Suhani Shah. In which country a replica of Ashokan pillar has been unveiled on July 23, 2025? So it's in Sri Lanka. On July 23, 2025, who has launched the world's largest grain storage scheme in cooperative sector? India. Delhi government has increased the cash prize money of gold medal winners in the Olympics and Paralympics to how much? 7 crore. So for silver medal it is 5 crore, for bronze medal it is 3 crore. Who has written the book The Green Gold, The Neem Pharmacy? Dr. Vishwaroop Roy Chaudhary. The central bank of which country has ordered to end OTP based authentication? UAE. Which state assembly will establish Shaurya Vatika in the honor of Kargil martyrs? Rajasthan. Where did the ICJ launch its second pollution control vessel, Samudra Prachet? So it's in Goa. Who has stopped the Henley Passport Index 2025? Singapore. On July 24, 2025, which state government has launched a foreign language skill scheme for youth seeking jobs abroad? SAM. Which country has achieved a target of 20% ethanol blending in petrol? It's India. Who has become the first Indian chess player to reach the final of FIDE Women's World Cup? Divya Deshmukh. Where was the Gathi Mangal Utsav celebrated? It's in Nepal. In which city the India's new National Cooperative Policy 2025 unveiled on July 25, 2025? So it's in New Delhi. Where did DRDO successfully test the UVA Launchpad Precision Guided Missile ULPGM-V3? Andhra Pradesh. Who topped the Global Democratic Leader Approval Rating released in July 25, 2025? Narendra Modi. Who has won the world's sixth Raiders snooker title by defeating India's Pankaj Advani? Riley Powell. Who has launched the Tracers mission to study the magnetic gradients on the Earth? NASA. On July 25, 2025, which country announced to recognize Palestine as an independent country? France. Who has won the Pen Translation Award? Gitanjali Sri for the book Once Elephants Lived Here. Vaishnavi Adhikar of India has won which medal in the World University Games in Germany? Bronze. On July 25, 2025, 60 years of diplomatic relation have been completed with India in which country? With Maldives. Anahat Singh of India has won which medal in the women's singles of the World Squash Junior Championship? Bronze. Who has been awarded the GP Birla Memorial Award? Dr. V. Narayanan. Where is the joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra held between India and Singapore? Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Where will Asia Cup 2025 be played? UAE. Who has got the honor of becoming the first woman vice chancellor of IGNOU? Professor Uma Kanjilal. Who has become the second highest run scorer in Test cricket? Joy Root of England. Where has the 11th Malabar River Festival organized on 27 July? Kerala. Which country has successfully launched its telecommunications and research satellite Nahid 2 from Russian rocket? Iran. Where has PM Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin in the honor of great Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I? Tamil Nadu. Where has 36th International Biology Olympiad held on 27 July 2025? So it's in Philippines. Which country's Navy Day was celebrated on 27 July? Russia. Which state has announced the formation of Safai Karamchari Commission? So it's Bihar. Which foundation day of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF was celebrated on 27 July 80? So it was 87th Foundation Day. Which country has unveiled the indigenous hypersonic missile Typhoon Block 4 on 28 July 2025? Turkey. To which a country the Prime Minister Narendra Modi gifted Bhishma Cube Hell set on 28 July 2025. Maldives, which day is celebrated on 28 July 2025 with the theme Connecting People and Plants World Nature Conservation Day. Who has organized the Armed Forces National Conference Shape 2025 for the first time on 28 July, Army Hospital, New Delhi. Which airport has declared the most beautiful airport in the world on 28 July? Yangtze Penglai Airport of China. Who has won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025? Divya Deshmukh. How many MPs have been awarded in the Sansad Ratna Award on July 29, 2015? So 17 MP has been awarded as Sansad Ratna Award. Who has launched the Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana on July 29, 2025? National Legal Services Authority, NALSA. Who won the Women's Euro Cup 2025? England defeated Spain and won the Women's Euro Cup 2025. Where did Indian Army organize exercise Drone Prahar on July 30, 2025? So it's Kohima, Nagaland. Who won the Belgian Grand Prix on July 30, 2025? Oscar Piastri. And who has next question, who has been appointed as the CEO of Sunset TV on July 30, 2025? Utpal Kumar Singh. A fisheries agreement has been signed between India and which country to promote tuna industry and aquaculture? Maldives. So friends, so this was the current affairs of SPD for the month of July. I hope you will like this video. For revision it will help you, or even if you are reading for the first time, it will help you obviously. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share and support with your love. Thank you very much.